My name is Mary E. Ramos, and I'm located in Montrose area near downtown Houston, and I practice family law. So when clients come in, they're obviously having issues, and they're family issues with either divorce or children. So we try and walk through, I'll listen to what their issues are, and then I'll try and match those issues with what we can accomplish and do. In fact, I never let a client leave without having a game plan. And this is what we can do. Here's step 1, 2, and 3. I think if we do this, we'll put you in the right position that you need to be in. I'm always well prepared for my cases. Everything is detailed, and when I go to court, I have every detail, every fact, the timeline, the history with your case. It's in my head and it's ready to go. So most of my opposing counsels know, oh, she's coming prepared. And the clients like that. They like me to show up and know everything about their case. And it just makes them feel like, oh wow, she did study, she did know, she did learn, she did take the time to care and get the details. And because I always tell them, this is a story. I can't tell your story to the judge unless you tell me what that story is. You have to draw the lines, paint the picture, and I've got to color it in the picture so that the judge has a clear picture. And if you don't give me that story, I can't portray that story to the judge. So they usually give me a timeline and history and issues and concerns, and it lists it all out so I can piece it together and be able to at least express that to the court on their behalf. Actually, I can get an entire consultation in about 30 minutes where I tell them everything basically that they need to know. I just like to educate them about the process. That way they're familiar with what their options are. That way they're less frustrated with the process, and at least we have a starting point, and they have those tools to go through. Because I think if they're in a divorce situation or any kind of custody case, this is the worst time of their lives. We come and see them when they're at their worst. So I at least try and give them the education and the knowledge and the skills and the tools that they need to help get their family through the process in the least amount of impact as possible. Because it's such a hard process, I like to at least feel like I'm helping them get through it.